Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got from my daily goodie box. What is that? Uh-oh. Doesn't sound good. As you know, I have not been putting out any videos. I do have some pre-recorded videos of just mystery boxes and stuff, but I haven't even been up to really putting those out. My some of you know my father passed away. We were really close, and it's been very, very hard on me. So I'm going to go ahead and get through this box because this is about the daily goodie box. Oh no. What is that, Brooklyn? There's Brooklyn. Does everyone remember me and Brooklyn? I don't know if you do, but here's Brooklyn. Here she is. If you guys see this collar, okay, I'm going to clear that up right now. We do not shock our dogs. No. No. This is a collar that makes noise. It makes a little sound, and the meaning behind it is every time my big dog wants to go potty, this one will chase after her and try to eat it like that. So we bought this training collar, and it's been working. It just startles her is all. And she's been doing very well, but this is not about Brooklyn. It's about the daily goodie box, so let's get to it. She's already trying to get in it. Okay, so here it is. Here is how it came packaged. It came in an outer box as well, the priority mail box. So this is what I see when I open it. You have to review the products online, and then normally I'll get another free box. Sometimes, you know, you never know. You never know. Okay, Brooklyn, I need to get through this. Brooklyn is the star of the show, by the way. She always is. She is the star of the show. All right. So the first thing I am pulling out is Wisps. Wisps. Cheese crisp Parmesan. Parmesan. Yes, that's how to say it. Parmesan, like Parmesan cheese. Hence the cheese. Wisps. Let's see what they taste like. Shall we, Brooklyn? Yeah, she's like really saying, yes, please. I want to see what they taste like. Okay, so they're just really tiny. They're probably like for a topping for a salad or something. And they're 100% wheel cheese. Wheel, like W-H-E-E-L. Now I've got my contacts in so I can see far away. Everything up close, unfortunately, is very blurry. But that does say wheel, doesn't it? W-H-E-E-L. Okay. So, yeah, I think these are like for toppings for salads. They're very, very good. Let's see. I usually don't feed Brooklyn. She doesn't get people food very often, but sometimes I broke off a little tiny piece for her. So, let's see. I think she likes it. Passed the Kelly and the Brooklyn test. Then I received this natural mouthwash by NF company. I'm not sure. I need to buy reading glasses. I've never bought reading glasses before. I called my eye doctor because I didn't know if it was like a prescription I needed or what. I have never had to do it before. They said I can just go and get some, you know, at Walmart or something. So I'm going to go try that. But right now I'm just going to make do. It says fresh and strong, alcohol-free, and vegan. I want to know. See, I'm going to my dad's funeral. I hate to even say that. And probably don't want to open this because I might just take this with us. It's not opened, it's sealed, and I think this would probably be good just to put in my suitcase, and hope it doesn't explode. So I'm not going to open that quite yet. I'm sorry, daily goodie box, but I think I'll take that with me on my dreaded trip. Okay. So then I got this Neuro gum, Energy and Focus. Energy and Focus gum. Let's see. Sounds interesting. It looks like this. Obviously, I don't want to sit here and go throughout the rest of the video, but I don't know if it says, probably does say what flavor it is. Darn it, you guys, I'm so sorry, Daily Goodie Box. I think they do watch these videos because they do comment, and I am so sorry. A lot's been happening, but it probably does say the flavor of these is what I'm trying to say, and I am not sure what it is. I can probably crack one open and smell it. I'm definitely not going to chew it right now, but let me go ahead and, you know, you can't have a piece of gum. Doesn't smell like peppermint. Doesn't smell like spearmint. I don't know what it smells like. It doesn't really smell much of anything, but sorry. I'm sure you guys have all seen a million of these Daily Goodie Box openings by now. Okay, then I got this natural yeast superfood by Foods Alive. And it says here, I came with a little card that Brooklyn wants so very badly. I don't know why, but here's a little card. It says, creators of real health food. So, I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I don't cook. I don't bake, I don't cook. However, I do want to take that back because for the first time in months, I did make dinner last night. I really did. I don't know what came over me because it's usually not something that I would do, but maybe I can find a recipe that I need yeast. Isn't that like for bread? I don't know. I think it's for bread, right? I'll figure it out. Then I got some more nutritional yeast right here. So I got 2 packs of these. Is it exactly the same thing? I think it is. Let me see. So it's exactly the same thing. So I got those. Okay, what else did I get? This is FeelGood. Does it come with like a little card? I think this is like one of those one-shot drinks. I'm just not prepared. It says vitamin A, C, D, B5, and B12. Immune support shot. Okay, so this is like a little shot of immune support. I was able to read that. All those vitamins in it. As long as it tastes good, I will be taking it because I have not been eating well. I received this here. Oh, yummy. I love this Zolli product. I looked for this in my local CVS, but I did not see Zolli. And I think it does say on their website that it's sold at CVS. I'm going to have to double check that, but I was looking for them because they oftentimes in these Daily Goodie Boxes send coupons for Zolli. And I read up on this Zolli brand, and it was invented, now you guys can check to make sure I'm correct, but I believe this was invented by a teenager that wanted something sweet that doesn't, that's not bad for your teeth and everything. So yeah, I loved every single product. These are milk chocolate style peanut butter cups, and yeah, I'm gonna try one. I'm not gonna give one to my dog, obviously, chocolate, but let's see. Now she thinks I'm gonna give her everything. See, that was mistake number, oh, I can't count how many mistakes. Okay, so it just comes like this. It doesn't come in an, like a Reese's peanut butter cup, the other shell thing or whatever, the paper. I have to put it all in my mouth because it'll hurt. Those are good. I'm gonna have to finish this. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. So this is south of France. It says shea butter. And again, I gotta put it really far away from me. I can't even read this word anyway. Isn't that in the foreign language? Or is it just my contacts? I don't know. But this is soap. Smells really good. I know we've gotten stuff from south of France before in these daily goodie boxes, I believe. And I have used them. So, again, this is probably going with me. So I'm not going to open it. It's going to be going on my travels. And I see what happened, what all that is. My chickpeas, sea salt, the good bean, it's all in here. Yeah, I don't want to eat it because it's been opened. I'm sure the goodie box did not open it on purpose, but they probably just grabbed one and put it in here unknowing that it was opened. And I don't know how long it's been opened. So don't want to try one, but I believe that I've tried these before from the daily goodie box. This is something that I seem to remember, at least chickpeas. I'm not sure if it's the same brand. This one is by the Good Bean. But yeah, it's all in here. So probably not something I'm going to try. I apologize for that, but you know, just can't do it. And then on the very bottom of the box, right here, we got some more information about the Zolli. Doesn't look like a coupon this time. It says it's the delicious, sugar-free, keto, diabetic-friendly, gluten-free, non-GMO, dairy-free, nut-free, wheat-free, fat-free, free from major allergens, low-calorie, vegan, vegetarian, natural colors, natural flavors, and good for your teeth candy. So just read that whole back there real quick. So here it is. They have a lot of different products. Free shipping, it says. Oh, it says 6 or more plus free shipping. I don't know if that means you've got to buy 6 at 20% off plus free shipping, or if it's always free shipping. I don't know. But I did look at the website on this because they are very good. And this is about the FeelGood shot, the one shot thing right here. It has a code on here. You're free to use that if you want. And I am going to put all of this stuff in my description box in case you wanted to go check out any of these products. And again, I thank the Goodie Box for sending this to me free for review. The Goodie Box is also listed in my description box. Please go to that one in my description box. It's not a referral link. It's just their website. I don't get anything for referring you at all, of course. But, you know, there's different goodie boxes out there, and somebody had left a message in my comments a long time ago when I first started doing this and asked me, why are they asking me for my credit card? No, this place, the Daily Goodie Box, the real Daily Goodie Box, does not ask you for your credit card. So do not ever go to the wrong Daily Goodie Box. If you spell it wrong, it'll bring you probably to a scammer or just a whole new company. So make sure that you go to the right one if you want to try to get this box. They are also on Facebook, but I found them straight from their website. Okay, everyone, thank you very much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and thank you for returning to my channel. I know I haven't posted anything for a while. It's I have some, like I said, I believe I said, I don't know, maybe I'm just thinking it, but I do have some other videos that I want to post. I just got a notification on my phone that it was low battery, so I'm just going to say goodbye for now. Thank you, everyone. Bye.